Page 14, sixth hour. At the top of the page, they're talking about an interval of a sixth. Now, I haven't talked about it in this book. I've talked about it in previous books, how to figure out an interval. It doesn't matter what the interval is. If you know how to figure them out, big deal. Let's take C. Start on C, and if we want to know what a sixth is, with C at the bottom note, we count up. Remember, the note we're on is 1. We don't start with 0. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a sixth. When your 5-finger position, that's a fifth, and a sixth is going to be 1 above it. Okay. In the music, a note is, one note's on a space and the other's on a line, or one's on a line, the other's on a space, whichever. So much for the sixth. Now, there's different fingerings that can be used, but I'm going to stick with their fingering for now, and we'll get to the other fingerings a little later. You know, one thing at a time, yeah. So it's like 1 5 for everything. You're just spreading out a little bit. Because the outside fingers, the thumb and they have to be able to cover 2 notes. We do this, and you need to get to where you can feel this, where you don't even have to look down to see if you're getting on the note. You can feel going up or down or stretching out one note, one key, eventually. You have to look at first, but eventually you want to get to where you can do it without looking. So here, the second measure, then the thumb goes down. It's still a sixth. And then the left hand, same thing. You have here, and the thumb goes up, and then the little finger goes down. And that's really what this is. The half notes here, and the quarter notes. So, and that's just introducing you to an interval of a sixth. I don't know that we really need to play with me on this, but you can do that on your own, I'm thinking. I just wanted to talk about the interval of a sixth. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try and answer them. And that's, well, just, you're going to see it in music a lot. In this next piece we're going to do, there's a lot of sixths in it. All right.